Welcome to the chapter on advanced computer networks. In this chapter, we will explore the advanced concepts essential for understanding how data is transmitted and received across different systems. In this chapter, we will cover network protocols, wireless networks, and network security. These topics are fundamental for ensuring efficient, reliable, and secure communication in today's interconnected world. Network protocols are a set of rules and conventions that govern the communication between network devices. They ensure that data is transmitted accurately and efficiently across a network. Some of the key network protocols include TCP/IP and HTTP/HTTPS. The Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, or TCP/IP, is the foundational protocol suite for the Internet and most local networks. It consists of several layers: the application layer, where protocols like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP operate; the transport layer, with main protocols TCP and UDP; the internet layer, where IP handles addressing and routing; and the link layer, which deals with the physical transmission of data. The TCP handshake is a three-step process used to establish a connection between a client and server. First, the client sends a synchronization packet to the server, known as SYN. Next, the server responds with a synchronization acknowledgement packet called SYN-ACK. Finally, the client sends acknowledgement packet back to the server, known as ACK. This process ensures a reliable connection is established before data transmission begins. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, and its secure version HTTPS are used for transmitting web pages over the Internet. HTTPS adds a layer of security by encrypting the data using SSL/TLS. When you type a URL in your browser, an HTTP request is sent to the web server. The server processes this request and sends back an HTTP response containing the requested web page. Wireless networks allow devices to connect and communicate without physical cables. They use radio waves to transmit data. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices to connect to a local area network using high-frequency radio waves. Wi-Fi networks operate on different frequency bands, such as 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Wi-Fi standards are defined by the IEEE 802.11 family. Some common standards include 802.11b, which operates at 2.4 GHz with a maximum speed of 11 Mbps, 802.11g, which operates at 2.4 GHz with a maximum speed of 54 Mbps, 802.11n, which operates at both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz with a maximum speed of 600 Mbps, and 802.11ac, which operates at 5 GHz with a maximum speed of 1 Gbps or higher. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology used for exchanging data between devices over short distances. It is commonly used for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and headphones. When you pair a Bluetooth device with your computer or smartphone, a secure connection is established using a process called pairing. This involves exchanging a passkey or PIN to authenticate the devices. Network security involves protecting data and resources from unauthorized access, misuse, or theft. It includes various practices and technologies to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or a combination of both. Packet filtering is a technique used by firewalls to control network access. It examines the headers of data packets and decides whether to allow or block them based on predefined rules. Encryption is the process of converting data into a coded format to prevent unauthorized access. Only authorized parties with the correct decryption key can access the original data. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. An example is the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES. In asymmetric encryption, a pair of keys, one public and one private, is used for encryption and decryption. An example is the Rivest-Shamir-Adleman, or RSA, algorithm. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates a secure, encrypted connection over a less secure network, such as the Internet. It allows remote users to access a private network securely. When you connect to a VPN, your data is encrypted and sent through a secure tunnel to the VPN server. This protects your data from eavesdropping and allows you to access resources on the private network as if you were physically present. In summary, understanding advanced computer networks involves grasping the intricacies of network protocols, wireless networks, and network security. These concepts are fundamental for ensuring efficient, reliable, and secure communication in today's interconnected world.